Hello guys, welcome back to Filament Finesse. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D model of any logo that you have using an image. So I'm going to get straight to the point. The first thing we need is the image itself. I'm going to go here, search for a logo and download any one you'd like. Ideally download a PNG or a JPEG. Sometimes when you download it, it turns it into a .webp file. So this usually isn't recognized by most software. So what we want to do here is open this up and export it as a PNG. And once we do that, we can see that we have a PNG image here. So if you're on Mac, this is an easy way to do it. If you're on Windows, I'm sure you can find a tool to do that, or just use an online converter. So after this step, what we need to do is we need an SVG file so that we can import it into Fusion 360. And the way we're gonna get an SVG file is I found this really handy tool. We're going to use Adobe's own converter. So Adobe SVG converter, and just hit this link here. So it's completely free, although you do have to sign in. So yeah, I've signed in now, and what I'm gonna do is upload this image. And what this does is it vectorizes the image, which means that it converts it to an SVG file, which can now be read by Autodesk Fusion 360. Now once this is done, I'm going to download this file. If I come back here, we now have an SVG file. So now what we have to do is head over to Fusion. So for this project, I'm just going to create a simple cube, 20 by 20. I'm gonna extrude this. So this is just a simple cube for demonstration. So now what we're gonna do is go over to the Insert tab here and locate Insert SVG. Once we do that, we're gonna get a pop-up. We choose our SVG file, and now we have to select a sketch plane. Now what this means is essentially the surface that the logo is going to be modeled on. So I'm just going to select this. Now if you notice it doesn't show up here, that's because it's actually here. So we're going to just scale this down approximately and then head over back here. We're going to align it here. So we bring this over here. And now we can just say okay. So what this does is it gives us a profile that we can now build off of. I'll go ahead and finish the sketch here, hit extrude, and I can just select these sections, extrude them 2 millimeters. There, I have the logo. Now this doesn't look great, but this is just a simple version of how you can get a logo on a 3D model. Thanks for watching.